Let's start with the bag.
$1,100.
Damn.
What
and
else?
the shoes.
$600.
Damn, girl. And the necklace.
$700.
And I see you have a Gucci hat there too.
$600.
Damn, let me catch the drift, girl. Okay, girl.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. If you've already been with me, already subscribed, hello and welcome back, fam. So today is another vlog. I'm going to Nikki Beach to just relax and again see what the hype is all about. This outfit is from Shein, bougie on a budget. So I'm done. I'm going to put on some accessories and press on nails. I hate doing my nails, but I'm all about press on nails. I really love them. So I'm going to put on my press on nails, little accessories, and off we go to Nikki Beach.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when lose women. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my
It is Nikki Beach.
but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out.
I'm drunk.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave, miss. I see the dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo, baby. Now, so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance.
So with the vibe.
else? What
and
else?
the shoes.
$600.
Damn, girl. And the necklace.
$700.
And I see you have a Gucci hat there too.
$600.
Damn, girl. Let me catch the drip, girl.
Look at the shoe.
Damn, girl. Body stinking, girl. See you. Okay.
Look at my Rolex. Look at my Rolex.
Oh, damn, shit.
Yeah,
Damn. And how much is your Rolex?
It was a gift.
Damn, girl.
So many reasons why I want you for you, my love. Now you want to retire with my love. See all the little things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure, baby. Come, I'm to make me there. Girl, I wanna make you. Oh no, I better make you. Oh no, I want to make me there. Oh no, girl, I wanna make you. Oh no, I better make you. Pull over. Should be like this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand. Say your dad no like me, Lara. See me, I won't make you know. Say me there for you, cara. And if not, the price be that.
We riding a bike late at night. Okay. Okay. So we've been riding the bike for the past hour now. This is the port of Miami, and that's the highway. So we're done for today. We're going home. How was today, girl? Yeah. Oh my God. Tired. That's another like 15 minutes of ride. So yeah, we tired. Our makeup is a mess right now, but thank you guys for watching. We signing out until next time. Mwah.